गाइस वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल कोरोना पढ़े मेरा जो आ चुका है 7th स्टैंडर्ड के ज्योग्राफी के साथ। और आज का मेरे चैप्टर का नाम है ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट। तो चलिए नोट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन, सिलेक्ट द प्रॉपर ऑप्शन फॉर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट। द लाइफ इज अर्बन सेटलमेंट इज मोर डायनामिक, रूरल सेटलमेंट preserves the cultivate aspect, nucleated settlements are flourished due to religious region identification. Identify the types of human settlement from the following statements. Their money and time is saved by living in the farms scattered. There is a lot of social life in the settlement. Nucleated shops are local on both sides or located on both sides of road. Linear, this settlement is found at the foothill or mountains as long in the coast. Answer linear, each house is located away from each other. Scattered, this settlement is good for a security point of view. Nucleated, having house away from each other is good for health. Scattered, houses are too close to each other. Nucleated, answer the following questions in brief. Explain the various types of human settlements. Answer, on the basis of progress the human settlements are classified into hamlet, rural settlements, urban rural settlements, etc. On the basis of the distribution, human settlements are classified into scattered settlements, nucleated settlements and linear settlements. Differentiate between the nucleated and scattered settlement. Difference between the nucleated settlement and scattered settlements are following. In the nucleated settlement, houses are close to each other. On the other hand, in scattered settlements, houses are away from each other. Social service are not available in nucleated settlements. On the other hand, social service are not available at the scattered settlements. The size of population in nucleated settlements is comparatively large. On the other hand, of the size of populated scattered element is comparatively limited. Explain the natural factors affecting the local human settlement. Answer, the natural factors like physiology, land, soil, climate, water supply, rivers, bank, etc. affect the local of the human settlement. Human settlements get flourish at the place with the favorable geographical conditions like the availability of water, of a conductive climate, fertile land, etc. For example, in the desert of Rajasthan, we find nucleated settlements near salt sources of water. Explain how human settlements have evolved. Answer, in the early settlement, the occupation of human depended on the local availability natural resources. This gave rise to the separate settlements of people engaged in a particular occupation. For example, people along the seacoast are engaged in fishing. Fishing settlements become fishing hamlets. Forest developers or tribal people are engaged in collecting forest production for their livelihood. Their settlements become tribal hamlet. Farmers are engaged in farming. Their settlement become hamlets. Hamlets gradually become rural settlements. Rural settlements further transform into urban settlements. In this way, human settlements have evolved. Differentiate between a hamlet and a village. Answer, between difference between a hamlet and the village are as follows. The size of population is extremely limited in the hamlet, and the other hand, the size of population is comparatively large in the village. Most of the people living in the hamlet have the same type of occupation. For example, living in the Advanced Panda tribal hamlet has engaged in collecting forest products for their livelihood. On the other hand, people in the village have different types of occupations such as farming, fishing, animal rearing, carpentering, etc. Hamlet is converted in scattered elements. On the other hand, village is comparative nucleated settlement. तो आजकल बस नए हो, आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा। अगर वीडियो पसंद आएगा, वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब हो। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।